friends, so I came to one pasticceria. The name is Bastianello, and look what I found. All of these, they are panettone, and they are covered in all this. I guess it's a sugar, but made with the Santa Claus figures. Look at this. Miss Claus, Santa. You have with the bells. Then you have the living room with the fireplace. Look how adorable. Then you have with the bears. Babbo Natale, they call it. Look how pretty. Look at this. So this is the Italian tradition, and look how cute is this bear, and he's sending the letter. Look how beautiful. They're all handmade, and all of these are panettone.